Transform your creativity into cash, turning your creative ideas into a thriving business, all without the hassle of managing inventory or shipping. From custom t-shirts to mugs, phone cases, and tote bags, Print on Demand lets you sell unique products with your designs without ever handling the physical items yourself. Sounds exciting, right? In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to start your own print-on-demand business and make money online. What is a print-on-demand business? Print-on-demand, or POD, is a business model where products are only created once a customer places an order. Here's how it works. First, you design the artwork or graphics for a product. Then you upload your designs to a print-on-demand platform like Printful or Teespring. When a customer places an order, the platform prints the design onto the product and ships it directly to the buyer. This model eliminates the need for upfront inventory or storage, making it perfect for freelancers and small business owners. Why start a print-on-demand business? Here's why starting a print-on-demand business is a great option. First, low startup costs. No need to invest in inventory or expensive equipment. Second, creative freedom. You can design and sell anything you're passionate about. Third, scalable income. Once your designs are live, you can earn passive income with minimal effort. Fourth, flexibility. Work from anywhere, anytime, whether it's a side hustle or a full-time business. And lastly, no inventory management. The platform handles printing, packaging, and shipping for you. With these benefits, POD is one of the easiest and most rewarding ways to make money online. Step 1. Choose your niche. Start by picking a niche for your products. This helps you stand out in a crowded market and attract a specific audience. For example, fitness enthusiasts, gym-themed t-shirts and water bottles, pet lovers, customized pet portraits on mugs and pillows, travelers, tote bags and posters with travel-inspired quotes. Choose a niche that you're passionate about and that has a loyal audience. Step 2. Create your designs. Designs are the heart of your print-on-demand business. If you're artistic, you can create your own designs using tools like Canva, Adobe Illustrator, or Photoshop. Not a designer? No problem. Hire a freelancer from platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, or use pre-made design templates available online. Pro tip: keep your designs simple yet eye-catching. Bold fonts, minimal graphics, and trendy themes often perform best. Step 3. Choose a print-on-demand platform. Next, you'll need to select a pod platform. Here are some popular options. 1. Printful. Integrates with major e-commerce platforms like Shopify and Etsy. 2. Printify offers competitive pricing and multiple printing partners. And 3. Teespring, ideal for beginners, as it doesn't require an external store. Compare their product options, shipping times, and fees to choose the platform that works best for you. Step 4. Set up your online store. To sell your products, you'll need an online storefront. You can build a dedicated store on platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce, or list your products on marketplaces like Etsy or Amazon for wider reach. You can also use social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook for direct sales. Make sure your store has a clean, user-friendly design and high-quality product images. Step 5. Market your products. Marketing is key to driving traffic to your store. Use these strategies to promote your products. 1. Social media marketing. Post engaging content on Instagram, Pinterest, and TikTok. 2. Influencer collaborations. Partner with influencers in your niche to showcase your products. 3. Paid ads. Run targeted ads on Facebook or Google to reach potential customers. 4. Email marketing. Build an email list to notify customers about new products and sales. Focus on showcasing your designs in a way that resonates with your audience. Step 6. Scale your business. Once your store gains traction, it's time to scale your business. Here's how. 1. Expand your product range. Introduce new designs and product types to keep your store fresh. 2. Optimize for SEO. Use relevant keywords to rank higher in search results. 3. Analyze performance. Use analytics tools to track sales, identify best-selling products, and refine your marketing strategies. 4. Automate tasks. Use tools to automate order processing, email campaigns, and inventory updates to save time. Scaling your business will help you reach more customers and maximize your earnings. Common mistakes to avoid. Here are some common mistakes to watch out for. 1. Overloading your store. Offering too many products can confuse customers. Start small and focus on quality. 2. Ignoring customer feedback. Always listen to your customers and make improvements based on their input. 3. Poor marketing. Without consistent marketing, it's hard to drive traffic to your store. Stay active on social media and keep experimenting with strategies. 4. Low-quality designs. Invest in high-quality designs to make your products stand out. Avoid these pitfalls to ensure your business thrives. Start your pod journey today. Starting a print-on-demand business is an exciting and low-risk way to turn your creativity into cash. By following these steps, you can launch your store, attract customers, and build a successful online business. If you want to learn about more ways to earn money online, click the link on the screen to watch my next video. I'll share even more freelancing tips and strategies to help you succeed.